Hi everyone and welcome. Today I just want to show you in a very quick video what I've bought recently. A couple of display cases for my Casio watches. I paid about $5 and as you can see they came with these white cheap looking pillows that I didn't really like, so I've also got an upgrade. These black pillows that cost me about $3. In my opinion, a much more elegant solution, looks premium and has a velvet-like finish, which I really like. As I already said, I wanted to have something to store my Casio watches only. I really like the idea of having a 2-watch collection that can cover every type of situation. Buying a cheap storage solution that can also showcase the beauty of the watches inside was inevitable. My G-Shock is great for everyday use and outdoor activities. My Duro with this metal bracelet is perfect for special occasions and whenever I feel like wearing a shirt or something more elegant. I'm not really into bulky watch boxes, at least for now. I prefer a simpler solution like this one. I really like the transparent part. The watches inside looks great. Of course, don't expect amazing quality for this price. The plastic is good enough. Overall, I think it does the job pretty well. What do you guys think? If you're interested, you can easily find them on AliExpress. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.